Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies at home without an oven. First, gather your ingredients and equipment to ensure a smooth process. You'll find that many delicious no-bake cookie recipes rely on simple pantry staples like butter, sugar, and cocoa powder. Essential tools include a sturdy saucepan and parchment paper for easy handling. These treats are surprisingly quick to set, usually within 30 minutes to 1 hour, making them a perfect last-minute dessert. Most recipes will yield around 2 dozen cookies. Let's dive into the core ingredients and tools you'll need. Many popular no-bake cookie recipes call for about 1/2 cup of butter, 2 cups of sugar, and 1/2 cup of milk. You'll often find oats, peanut butter, and vanilla extract included to create that classic, comforting taste and texture. For equipment, a large saucepan, accurate measuring cups, and a sturdy spoon are your mainstays. Don't forget parchment paper or wax paper. It's crucial for preventing sticking and making cleanup a breeze. Now let's walk through the simple cooking steps. Begin by combining your butter, sugar, and milk in a saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring until it reaches a rolling boil. Once boiling, continue to stir constantly for exactly 1 minute. This precise timing is key for the right consistency. Immediately remove the pan from the heat and quickly stir in your oats, peanut butter, and vanilla extract. Finally, drop spoonfuls onto parchment paper and let them cool completely until firm. To elevate your no-bake cookies, consider adding 1/4 cup of cocoa powder for a delightful chocolate version. For optimal freshness, store your finished cookies in an airtight container at room temperature, where they will remain delicious for up to 5 days. You can also experiment with different nut butters or spices, such as cinnamon, to create unique flavor profiles. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. These simple variations ensure you'll always have a new, favorite no-bake treat to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.